Here's the recipe that I cook in this video. Feel free to screenshot, write it down, or copy from the description. Overnight oats are perhaps the most convenient, fulfilling, and tasty breakfast that one can have for the least amount of effort and prep time. No, not these overnight oats. These overnight oats. They may not be pretty or get you a bunch of likes on social media, but this is, in my opinion, just about the perfect breakfast for most people. I developed this routine to give me an extra boost of energy and to help tide me over for the morning and into the afternoon. The preparation is super easy. It begins with a half cup of rolled oats, often called old-fashioned oats. You're going to want to use these over quick oats or steel-cut oats for texture's sake. Next, I add a big spoonful of zero sugar sweetener. You may want less or more, but just use a sweetener that you prefer. Thirdly, your flavored protein powder of choice. Here I have a cookies and cream flavor. Now you're going to want to use half of the standard serving, which should provide about 15 grams of protein. Here the standard serving is 2 scoops, so I'll add 1. Now this is technically ready to go, but lastly I like to add some powdered flavorings and spices. To the cookies and cream I like to add a healthy shake of cinnamon, a bit of ground cloves, and a tiny shake of ground ginger. Seal that shut and give it a shake. Now, this will last for several weeks in the fridge, ready to be used whenever you need it. To prepare, just take a container, open it up, and add about 3/4 of a cup of whatever milk or milk substitute you prefer. Here I have unsweetened almond milk, but you can up the protein with regular cow's milk or soy milk. Just shake it up to get everything integrated and toss it in the fridge for anywhere between 3 hours and 3 days. The best time to do this is the night before you're going to eat the oatmeal, so it's ready in the morning. When you are ready to eat, this is actually me at 7:15 a.m. ready to go to work, just take the oats out of the fridge, crack it open, and consume greedily standing in the middle of your kitchen. Toss that in the sink, and you're ready to go. The real power in this routine is making a whole bunch of oats at once, storing them in the fridge. I make this in batches of 10 or so and add the ingredients all at once. Here I add the oats, then the sweetener, then the protein powder. I like to mix it up with the protein powder. Here I am making 4 of the cookies and cream oats I showed you earlier. Next, I'm using chocolate protein powder to make chocolate oats. To up the chocolate flavor, I like to add a small scoop of cocoa powder. Finally, I'm using a plain vanilla protein powder on the last 3, and adding only a large amount of cinnamon to make it a snickerdoodle type flavor. As before, once done, just toss on the lids, shake them up, and store them in the fridge, ready to be used as needed. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. I apologize for the lateness of this video, but I will try to get another video out hopefully within the next 2 weeks or so. I would like to thank everyone for 300 subscribers, and I hope this video has been useful for you.